Hi, if you're ready to do some sauteed white potatoes, stay tuned.
Welcome to Biology. Biology. Biology.
Hello guys, so today we are doing sauteed potatoes two different ways. Your ingredients and your cook time is posted. So I am using Brussels potatoes and I'm going to peel these. I'm going to show you the size of the cubes that I use. You do want to make sure your cubes are not too big, also not too small. To get the perfect size, depending on your potato, cut your potato in half, then cut it again in fourths. And simple, just cut from the beginning to the end. So guys, here are my potatoes. You see the size of the potatoes. So what we're going to do with these, we will be placing these in the microwave on 9 minutes and they will be ready. Now it is time to do the one on top of the stove. Depending on the size of your pot, you want 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine. Let it come to a complete boil. This is a great time now to add in your potatoes. Let them boil until they become slightly soft. Nine minutes is up for the ones in the microwave, and as you can see, they are stuck together. So what are we going to use to make sure they are no longer stuck together? Yes, guys, butter or margarine. So take a tablespoonful of margarine or butter and put in your potatoes and put some seasoning and stir slightly. Now let's prepare the ones that was done on the stove. No different than what we did with the ones from the microwave. We're going to drain the water off these. Once we drain the water off, we're going to season these and also add 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter and stir. But you will see if you stir too much, it will turn into mashed potatoes. That's what we don't want. So we're just going to slightly stir them to make sure the butter and seasoning did hit each piece. Now it is completely ready and done. I am going to show you the difference between the one that was in the microwave, which is in the bowl. They are completely whole, versus the one that is done on the stove top. That one has slight mush to it, but the taste is absolutely the same. Okay, it is time to plate our food. I'm giving you sauteed potatoes for brunch. So, if you're gonna do one of these, whether it's in the microwave or on the stove, please do tag me. I would like to know how you did yours and how did it come out. So guys, until the next time, please like, comment, and share. Thumbs up my video. And guys, as I always say, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Never know when I'm gonna upload my next video.